I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats.
There's nothing quite like the juicy, flavorful taste of a brined and slow-roasted rotisserie chicken. Whether you're using a Kamado Joe, big green egg, or another grill with a rotisserie attachment, you can achieve restaurant-quality chicken at home with crispy skin and tender, flavorful meat. To make the brine, I added some kosher salt, brown sugar, vegetable stock, some peppercorns, rosemary, onion, and garlic to a small pot and brought it to a boil. I then transferred it to a large stock pot and let it cool. Then I added some water and some ice, and of course, a chicken. And then topped that with more ice. Then I covered it and put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Time to light a barbecue. After brining, remove the chicken from the brine, rinse it under cold water, and pat it dry with paper towels. Then, using butcher's twine, truss the chicken by tying the legs together and then tying the wings together behind the chicken's back. Coat the entire chicken with olive oil, then sprinkle with kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, and paprika. It's important to tighten those thumb screws on the tines to make sure that they don't loosen up. I've actually had a chicken stop spinning and then it, well, just burns on one side. Set up the Kamado Joe or big green egg for direct heat at 350 degrees. Place the chicken in the rotisserie attachment directly over those coals and start the motor and close the lid. If you're using a rotisserie with a heating element to the rear, then place a drip pan directly below the chicken to catch the fat drippings. That's going to make cleanup a bit easier. A 4 to 5 pound chicken will cook in about 1 hour and 10 minutes to 1 hour and 30 minutes. To check the internal temperature, insert an instant read thermometer into the thickest part of the breast. Once your chicken reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, use heat-proof gloves or hot pads to carefully remove it from the grill and place it on a cutting board with a juice trough. Tent the chicken with aluminum foil and let it rest for about 10 minutes. That's going to allow the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, giving you a moist, tender, and flavorful chicken. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time on Austin Eats.